Regular veterinary checkups can help detect any health issues early on and ensure that your cat is receiving proper care. Respiratory problems. Persian cats are known to be prone to respiratory problems, such as breathing difficulties and nasal discharge. This is due to their short noses and flat faces, which can cause their airways to become obstructed. It's important to keep your Persian cat's living space clean and free of dust and other irritants. You should also monitor your cat closely for any signs of respiratory problems and bring them to the vet if necessary. Dental issues. Persian cats are also prone to dental issues, such as gum disease and tooth decay. These problems can be caused by genetics, poor diet, or lack of dental care. To prevent dental issues, you should brush your Persian cat's teeth regularly using a soft bristled toothbrush and toothpaste formulated specifically for cats. You should also provide your cat with dental treats and toys to help keep their teeth clean and healthy. Renal disease. Renal, kidney, disease is a common issue that affects Persian cats. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, poor diet, and environmental factors. Signs of renal disease in cats include increased thirst, decreased appetite, and weight loss. Regular veterinary checkups can help detect any signs of renal disease early on and ensure that your cat is receiving proper care. Behavioral issues. Persian cats are known for their calm and laid-back personalities, but they can still develop behavioral issues such as aggression or anxiety. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including lack of socialization, stressful living environments, or underlying health issues. It's important to provide your Persian cat with a comfortable and stress-free living space, as well as regular playtime and interaction with their human family members. If you notice any behavioral issues, it's important to consult with a veterinarian or cat behaviorist. Socialization. Persian cats are known for being calm and laid back, but they still require socialization and interaction with their human family members. It's important to spend time with your Persian cat every day, playing with them, grooming them, and cuddling with them. This can help strengthen your bond and prevent behavioral issues such as anxiety or aggression. Living space. Persian cats are indoor cats and require a comfortable and safe living space. It's important to provide your cat with a cozy bed, toys, and scratching posts to keep them entertained and comfortable. You should also ensure that their living space is free of hazards such as sharp objects, toxic plants, and electrical cords. Litter box care. Persian cats are known for their fastidious nature and require a clean litter box. You should scoop the litter box every day and change the litter completely every week.